Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Clickbank keyword research. And if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. So if those are topics that you want to learn more about, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon where you can be notified when I upload new videos. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to go to Clickbank first. And we're going to search a category. I'm going to use, as an example, health and fitness. And that's going to bring up the most popular products. You can see it's Belly Fat Fix, the Organifi Juice. I'm going to use this as an example. I do realize that this one here, it has to do with back pain, and it's yoga for back pain. You do have to be approved in this, but since I do have my master's in physical therapy, I'm in the process of getting approved. So I'm going to use that as an example. So you want to think about whatever product you choose, what would people be searching for to find your product? So you're going to start with that. So with my product, it would be back pain relief. And then after you do that, you want to just go through the alphabet. So you'll put a space, and then you'll type the letter A, and then you'll see what comes up. These are keywords that people are actually searching for right now. And if you can see right here, back pain relief exercises, I have installed a plugin called Keywords Everywhere for Chrome, Google Chrome. So you just search that and install it, and it'll tell you how many searches there are a month. So anything above 1,000 would be good. So we're going to start with A. Okay, I think this one is a good one here. You want to look for a long tail keyword, which is at least 3 or 4 words, because it's less competitive and it's very, very targeted. So this would be something somebody's looking for to do at home. It would be perfect with this offer, which is a CD. They can do it at home. Okay, so back pain relief at home. Where'd it go? No, it's back pain relief at home remedy. Okay, and then what you want to do is see how much competition you have with this. I mean, obviously you can scroll down here and you can see this is a widely searched topic here, 8.5 million views. But you want to see how much competition you have, so you type in all in title, that's one word together, a colon, and then you're going to put your keyword in parentheses. And we'll then see how many searches come up. So we've got 1, 2, we only have 3. So this is actually a really good keyword for that particular product. And then you can do that with any other keyword that you can come up with. Back pain, maybe back pain remedy at home. So you can see whatever keyword you can think of, then you just go through the alphabet. So then we would have B, C, and again you want it to be a long tail, D, E, so you get the idea. So that's exactly what you do, and keep a little notepad and write down these keywords. And what you're going to do then is create content around those long tail keywords. And if you do, you can create a channel that's just based around, like I could have a channel that just has to do with back pain relief. And so all my keywords are going to be related to that particular topic. So I would create YouTube videos around these long tail long-tail keywords for this particular product, and then I will create content that gives them information on different ideas on how to get rid of their back pain. And then at the end of the video, I would direct them to get more information on how to have back pain relief through a yoga program that I found relief in myself. I mean, ideally, you would use the product and get results. Then you leave a link in the description below your video to a lead capture page. You capture their email address, and then you market to them this particular product, but also other products that relate to that. Like I could go to Amazon, excuse me, and get some actual physical products and market to these people on my email list, because I, being a physical therapist, know the best back pillows, the best chairs to sit in to be ergonomically correct. So there's all kinds of things that you can do with it, but you want to create a whole bunch of different videos around these keywords that people are looking for to find relief to their back pain. So that's how you use Clickbank keyword research to find keywords to create content around. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found value from it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do that. And with that being said, I want to tell you one more thing, and that is, if you want to learn the #1 recommendation that I have for making money online, that'll be in the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye now.